Yeah, it's been a long, crazy day. And again, all this crap that I cook is all stuff we do here. This isn't like studio. This is stuff I'm cooking for my family. We eat it, so this is real deal, real life. This is one of my quick, easy go-to meals after a long day. It's going on almost 5 o'clock, and we're gonna get dinner started here. And it's only using a few ingredients. Using these ingredients: some Parm cheese, some mozzarella, some chicken tender breasts. You can use the breaded ones, frozen breaded ones, doesn't matter. Some oregano, a little spray butter, some marinara, and these Crescent Rolls. I call this chicken dunkers. It's so stupid easy to make, and I have the pickiest kids and they eat it, so let's get everything fired up. All right, let's get some water going, boiling here for the chicken. Again, you can use the frozen ones if you want. That's fine too. You obviously wouldn't boil the frozen ones, but I hope we all know that. But this one's super simple. I'll put the description of how I cooked everything and all that in the description in the video. I'm not going to torch you through the whole video. I hate people that do that. It's really annoying. We'll boil up the little chicken tendies. You're only really going to go about 8 minutes or so, because we're gonna bake them here. Let's boil them up and then we'll throw them in the oven. All right, next step was I just hit the pan with a little bit of Parm, and then I opened up the rolls and put a couple on here for the next step, but that's step 2, so to speak. And step 3, just take the sliced mozzarella, I kind of half see them, fold them in half, and then lay them on there. And then the chicken will rest on there in a second here. So we got about another 22 seconds. Now we'll preheat the oven to 350. While we'll do that, we'll just pull these out. I like to let them cool for a minute because these are hot. Makes it a little bit easier when you go to wrap them. You don't burn your digits. And then we'll wrap them up. We'll do a little spray, a little shake of this, and a little shake of this. We'll be in good shape. All right, my son said, hey, you're wrapping all these, but why don't you do one for the video? And I figured, well, you're right. Because what if people don't know how to wrap? I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to wrap. So I just drop it on and then bam. And I'm gonna be one short, which is okay. So we'll just make a cheese one because the kid likes the cheese one anyway. All right, so there we go. And one with just the cheese. Bam. Now we'll just spread them out. Bam, bam. Okay. There we go. All right, and now take a little butter. Don't need a lot. Parm. Oh, that's the unopened one. Try that again. Here's the opened one. I don't do second takes. It is what it is. Real life, you make mistakes, so you got to get used to it. I'm not really a YouTuber anyway. All right. And then some oregano. Now, he won't eat the oregano, so I'll leave the cheese in that one. But for us other people, there we go. Well, I got 2 flakes on this. Uh-oh. Okay, now in the oven they'll go. Cooking times will vary, so it's hard to say, but really what we're gonna look for is we're gonna watch for those to kind of golden up and watch the rolls kind of beef up a little and brown up, and then we'll get some of your favorite marinara sauce, get that simmering in the background. All right, and you cook these to your level of goldenness, and this is what happens when you do it poorly, when you wrap them poorly. But we'll let them cool for a minute, and I'll take a spatula, we'll dunk them in the sauce, and enjoy. There we go. A little bit of sauce. And a roll. Whew. And now for the dunk. Hot. I That's good and chewy. Everyone will enjoy this. All right, see ya.